Mid-Ohio and my favorite moment. Mid-Ohio is one of those races for me. It's it's every race that I race, I'm like, oh, this is my favorite. Oh, this is my favorite, because it's so much fun for me. But Mid-Ohio is different in the sense that the fans are completely different than every other race venue that we go to. They seem to have more enthusiasm, and it's just a great environment. I love Mid-Ohio because I feel like you get the best of both worlds. It's a very technical racetrack. You have some high-speed cornering stuff, you have some slower speed cornering stuff, which adds in the technicality of it. And you really gotta, watch your mirrors there, because especially in the back section of the track, I'm sure you know that it's gotten quite hairy back there, even with World Challenge drivers. So from that standpoint, it's definitely a difficult racetrack, and I think that the good drivers do well, and the great drivers win. And that's the difference between the two, especially at Mid-Ohio, because of how challenging it is. But Mid-Ohio is awesome. I love it.